Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. If you're a fan of Honkai Star Rail and you've got some fresh codes burning a hole in your pocket for 2025, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to redeem those codes step by step, so you can snag those free rewards like stellar jades, characters, or other goodies without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Honkai Star Rail installed on your device. Whether you're playing on mobile, PC, or another platform, updates are key to avoiding any redemption errors. Once you're all set, launch the game and log into your account. Now, head over to the main menu. That's the screen where you see all your options like starting a mission or checking your inventory. Next, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear wheel. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Account or Other section. There, you should see an option labeled Redeem Code or something similar. Tap or click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your code. Type it in carefully. Codes are case sensitive, so double check for any uppercase letters or numbers. After entering the code, hit the Confirm or Redeem button. If everything's correct, you'll get a confirmation message, and your rewards will be added to your in-game mailbox or inventory. Don't forget to check there right away. Oh, and if you're redeeming codes via the official Honkai Star Rail website, just log in with your account, go to the redemption page, enter the code, and follow the on-screen instructions. One quick tip. If a code doesn't work, it might be expired or region locked, so always check the official sources for valid codes in 2025. Also, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any glitches. There you have it. Redeeming codes in Honkai Star Rail is super straightforward. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite codes. Until next time, keep exploring the stars and happy gaming.